What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best backpacking stoves in 2022. There's a lot of choice for backpacking stoves. Backpackers need a stove that is lightweight, dependable, and will get the job done quickly after a long day on the trail. Thankfully, the market is full of both time-tested models and newer, more innovative designs. From all-in-one models made exclusively for boiling water fast, to those that cook gourmet meals in the most alpine of conditions, there's a stove to match every need. Below we break down the top backpacking stoves, including leading canister, liquid gas, alcohol, and wood-burning models. For more background information, see our backpacking stove comparison table and buying advice below the pics. A steamy cup of Java on a crisp, quiet morning is just about the perfect start to any day in the wilderness. A warm meal at the end of a long day on the trail is pretty tough to beat as well. Backpacking stoves can enhance your wilderness adventures in a way that few other tools can. We channeled our inner gourmet chef, researched, and tested dozens of backpacking stoves to help cut through the clutter, and share our favorite backpacking stoves available today. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Jetboil Minimo Camping. Jetboil regulated canister stoves allow 4 full turns of the spindle for incremental adjustment of fuel flow, with consistent heat output from light simmer all the way to rolling boil. The Minimo camping stove features a reliable push-button ignition, and is regulated for consistent performance, down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1-liter cooking cup features an insulated cozy, and metal handles for easy cooking and eating. By increasing the surface area of the bottom of the pot, flux ring technology makes it possible to heat a conveniently shaped vessel with extremely high efficiency. Expand the Minimo's capabilities by adding a pot support, 1.5-liter flux ring pot, and a summit skillet, sold separately, to prepare hot meals on the go. Reasons to buy. Ultra-compact design. Boils quickly and efficiently for its weight. Feels like it weighs nothing. Reasons to avoid. Ideal for boiling water, not cooking directly in the pot. I am not confident with it in the wind, so I brought the Whisper Lights windscreen, adds to overall weight. Foldable valve knob is flimsy. Number 2. Solo Stove Light. The Solo Stove Light is a unique iteration of Solo's fire pits. It runs on just sticks and twigs, maintaining an impressive flame with minimal smoke. While this stove is light, sustainable in the sense that it does not burn fuel or waste canisters, it's important to be aware of your destination's fire restrictions. Solo does not have a direct statement about whether or not their light constitutes as a stove or fire pit, cooking stove versus an open flame, so do your research heavily. If you are going out for a night or two in a low-fi danger area, then a backup may not be necessary. That being said, for longer treks in the west where fire bans are common and unpredictable throughout the summer and fall, this stove may not be for you at the risk of a stage 1 or 2 ban being implemented without your knowledge. Reasons to buy. No waste generated from gas canisters. Stays hot when fueled consistently. Lifetime warranty. Reasons to avoid. Gas keeps a more consistent flame than a fire. Fire leaves a residue on your pot or pan. Check with local jurisdictions about fire bans, and whether local rangers consider the Solo Stove Light an open flame. Number 3. Unigear Wood-Burning Camp Stoves. The Unigear Wood-Burning Camping Stove is definitely one of the better wood-burning camping stove options out there at this time. This is true for several reasons, including the fact that it's pretty convenient for travel, but large enough to cook some full-sized meals with ease. The size of the Unigear Wood-Burning Camping Stove, when folded up, is 10 by 7 by 1.5 inches, which is not the smallest of all stoves out there, but still small enough to make it manageable. After all, when folded up, it's hardly any bigger than a large book. When unfolded, it does not take up all that much more space. Also, the whole thing weighs only 1.5 pounds, making it fairly lightweight too. Once again, while this is not the smallest or lightest camping stove out there, carrying it around is certainly doable. There is also the fact that it comes with its own carrying case for some added convenience. Moreover, the Unigear Wood-Burning Camping Stove is also resistant to impact, dents, scratches, and rust too. All in all, this has to be one of the most durable camping stoves available on the market today. Reasons to buy. Uses wood, easy fuel source and eco-friendly. Can be used with compatible gas burners in case you have no wood. Easy to set up and easy to collapse. Small and lightweight, easy to transport. Ventilation for adequate air supply. Wind guarding to ensure gusts of wind don't put the fire out. Allows you to cook for 20 to 30 minutes with one little fire. Extremely durable stainless steel build. Reasons to avoid. Handles are a little flimsy. Could be a little more stable. Number 4. Snow Peak Light Max Titanium Stove. The Snow Peak Light Max stove performed under what other backpacking stoves on our list did. People found, as did we, that boil time was about 4 minutes per 500 milliliters of water. To put that in perspective, canister stoves like the MSR Pocket Rocket stove boiled the same amount in 2 minutes. In other words, the MSR Pocket Rocket is twice as fast. On the bright side, the Snow Peak Light Max stove will still work under 20-degree weather, Fahrenheit. In fact, it'll still work in temperatures as low as 17 Fahrenheit. But there's a catch: you need to use Snow Peak's Giga Power fuel. More impressive than its performance, however, is the design. Considering it's made of titanium and aluminum, the Snow Peak Light Max Titanium stove is rather light. It clocks at under 2 ounces. To put that in perspective, the Coleman Camping Sportster backpacking stove is 2.35 pounds. You would need 19 Snow Peak Light Max stoves to equal a Coleman camping stove. Unfortunately, its low weight makes it susceptible to wind. If you have a stand of some kind, it can be ignored. Reasons to buy. Will work in 17-degree weather, Fahrenheit. Lightweight and durable. Free shipping. Reasons to avoid. Best performance is limited to Snow Peak Giga Power fuel susceptible to wind. Number 5. Red Camp Mini Alcohol Stove. Camping without cooking dinner feels like it's missing an important chunk of the whole experience, even for backpackers, since taking a regular gas stove with you requires a lot of hassle. You need a lighter and efficient stove to keep cooking on the road. You need an alcohol stove for backpacking. This stuff is light, compact, and designed to cater to the needs of backpackers. Here are our best recommendations. It's great especially if you love packing light. Alcohol stoves are so easy to use that it's hard to fail. Though it might need more time to boil water, the portability and usability are worth the time. The stove has a sturdy one-piece titanium construction you can depend on. The best setting of this stove is to have the pot sitting directly on top of it. It takes a little bit of time for it to bloom, especially in colder weather, but once it blooms, the stove is fuel efficient for a longer cooking session. You need not worry your pot will tip over because the bottom support will provide a stable ground for the pot. Reasons to buy. Lightweight. Aluminum alloy. Has a flame regulator. Leak-proof cover. Reasons to avoid. Prone to dents. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.